Thank you so much for your investment in my Travefy saved message library. I did get some feedback from initial purchasers that the spreadsheet provided was not the simplest or easiest to navigate. So I did go ahead and reformat this, and I actually like it a lot more because it is directly in Travefy, so you can save it to your account and use it anytime you need it. Now, if you prefer spreadsheets for any reason, the original document is still linked down here, so you can still download that to your computer, but do know that it is the exact same message library as what you'll see here in your Travefy. Now, this is just the general instructions on how to use it. I think putting everything in Travefy also made it a lot more simple, but with these saved messages, there are, I think, 200 or so, and you don't have to have all of them at once, especially if you are newer or you don't have a lot of itineraries that you're working on. So what I recommend is choose a section which is applicable to what you are currently doing in your business right now. I did meet with a lovely Travefy client today who purchased this and was confused on how to use it. And she just got back from a cruise with some of her clients. And so I'm going to use this as the example. So whenever your clients get home from a trip or you get home from an escorted group trip, you can use the welcome home message and copy it directly into your library. Once it is in your library, you are able to send it with a trip chat message or a trip invite. I think it is awesome and super easy to use. Now, what I really like to highlight here is the emergency and disaster awareness section. I think this part alone makes the purchase of this library very worth it because the disaster awareness, whenever we as advisors are navigating disasters, we tend to go into this like crisis mindset, like, oh my gosh, what do I do? I need to do blah, 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 blah. And my clients need this and I need to do this and I need to check the government website. So we don't have the bandwidth, the brain bandwidth to deal with messaging, especially professional messaging. So disaster awareness is a really good section for whenever you are just overwhelmed. There is something that you need to get to your clients. You will click on that link. And again, you can send it to them via that trip chat message if they are in destination, copy it. And if you would like to use these saved messages in task lists, you are able to do that as well. So whenever you are building out your task list, let me go ahead and pull one up in my library. So when you are building out your task list, let's say you are automating a email itinerary. Let's see if I can pull one up. There we go. And we can go ahead and automate that. So let's say we're building out our disaster workflow. You can use the messages as the bare bones of what to send out and how to send it out. So I truly hope that this workflow makes it a little easier to navigate the saved message library. And I hope that the new format works better for you as well. If you have any questions, as always, please do not hesitate to reach out to me directly. My email is mari@traveladvisormari.com. And I hope you have a great day.